But try and get to 40. Even if you go to 42, it doesn't matter. Do you get what I mean? How much space you have? Yes. More gas. Yes. So slow down some more. Clutch down. Slow down some more. Clutch. Fast gear. Find your bite. Keep rolling. You're nice. Keep rolling. You're right. Look at both mirrors. You see where you are. Yes. That's it.
He lived an unhealthy lifestyle and could not claim insurance. Janet begged us for money. She said she and her son would have nowhere else to go if my father died. I was a little hesitant as I had recently spent a lot of money on my wedding and was not in a situation to spend it as...
My father died during lockdown and I had to listen to him die at the end of the telephone. But, you know, you asked a very simple...
Be in the middle of it now, so you're going to the left too much. Remember, we have right of way. Those guys have to wait for us. Okay, Garmin. Come on, get out of here. She had the whole space to herself and she wants to be in the middle of the road.
What is she doing?
I know.
Says, you know, obviously we'd all want him to stay, we all do, but I think my head says he's probably moving on and going out on a high, but you never know.
Chesney, what about my old mate Dave?